What's up, English 11 students? This is Mr. Kais regarding the week of April 6th through April 12th. That's Sunday, April 12th. I'm going to make this really quick. This should be becoming commonplace, right? We work through these weekly modules. You understand the procedure now, hopefully, and hopefully you guys are all progressing the way you want. Listen, if you just to review quickly, we're working through modules. So if you get to the English 11 homepage, you can either click here on modules or here on modules, either way. Let's click right there. Okay. This week's module, we're going to be talking about the assigned reading is chapters 9 through 12, which is pages 85 through 144. Now, if you don't have a hard copy of the book, you can use this PDF right here, which is all 53 pages that you're assigned to read this week. Okay, that's pages, 85 through 144. If you do have a hard copy, it's 85 through 144, or you can download this PDF. Okay, that's the assigned reading. Now, the big thing in chapters 9 through 12 is the Tim Johnson scene, which is in chapter 10. Now, I have gone and created a video about the Tim Johnson scene. It's right here in course modules, Tim Johnson scene right here, titled Tim Johnson by Mr. Kais. The video's, I can't remember how long it is, but it's very important that you watch the video, because after you watch the video, you're going to take a quiz on what you learned in the video. The Tim Johnson scene is important because it's rhetorical by nature. It's very persuasive. It's Harper Lee at her best, using some symbolic characters to describe the scenario in Macomb, Alabama in the 1930s. The quiz on the Tim Johnson scene, you get 2 attempts at it, but we're going to keep the latest score, okay? And there's a 45-minute time limit, but you should be able to do the 10 questions in about 10 minutes, let's be honest. Okay, so go watch that video and then take the quiz. Very important that you watch the video. Now, there's also, back in, a long time ago, they made a movie on To Kill a Mockingbird, and I took the Tim Johnson scene out of that movie and published it here just in case you want to watch that for just a little more understanding. It's called Tim Johnson YouTube. Okay. The only assignment this week, you have to watch the video, take the quick quiz. You have a discussion topic this week, and that is it. Okay. And I've posted the link to my video here again. This is called redundancy, meaning if you didn't get to watch up there, you need to watch it here for sure, okay? Because the discussion has to do specifically with the Tim Johnson scene, okay? So both questions. One, why was it important for Atticus Finch to take the rifle from Tate and kill Tim Johnson? Well, you need to understand the situation to answer that question. And in your opinion, why is Tate incapable of killing Tim Johnson? 150 to 200 words, comment on 2 other posts. Just for the record, do not copy and paste your classmates' discussion posts, because everybody can see it, including me, and so it causes much issue. Do your own work, be original in thought, have some fun with this. It's your only assignment this week, so it's not entirely time consuming. Okay, watch the video, comment on the discussion. And last but not least, there's a quiz on chapters 1 through 12 here, okay? It will discuss some of the things that have happened earlier in the book. That's why I've decided on honesty and put 1 through 12 instead of 9 through 12. It will talk about the entire book up to chapter 12. Roughly 28 questions, 20-minute time limit. Trust me, you can get it done in the 20 minutes. 4 attempts on this one if you choose to use 4 attempts, but it will keep the latest score. So that's important to remember. It will keep the latest score. All right, Tim Johnson this week, folks, 9 through 12. Hopefully you're enjoying To Kill a Mockingbird and getting through this pandemic. I know it's tough on everyone, but make sure you watch my video about Tim Johnson and take the quiz, do the discussion, read chapters 9 through 12. Enjoy your time at home, away from school. Hopefully you're enjoying the warm weather if it ever comes and the wind quits blowing. And that's it. Enjoy.